we can now move on to the next segment of e-inauguration of facilities. May I please welcome Ma'am Anju Bhalla, MD BIRAC and Joint Secretary DST, Government of India, to please join us for this segment. Ma'am, we hope you are available currently. So, welcome, ma'am. With your permission, we would like to begin with the section on the e-inauguration.
Yes, Hardik, please carry on.
Thank you, ma'am. So I'd like to give a brief introduction. The National Biopharma Mission is a Government of India mission program co-funded with the World Bank at a total cost of $250 million. The mission is focused at accelerating affordable product development relevant to India's disease burden. To address the lack of adequate infrastructure to support product development, the mission had supported establishment of shared infrastructure facilities as national service centers that would work with leading academic and industry partners and provide integrated solutions to enable proof of concept establishment, critical evaluation, and validation of products that are in early or late stage of development. Some of these facilities are already operational, and the mission has supported 19 such facilities. Today, we would be inaugurating 3 such facilities. The first facility is the National Unit of Vaccine Immunogenicity Evaluation and Research, located at Central Research Laboratory at KIMS, Bangalore. Pneumococcal vaccines were launched in the Universal Immunization Program on May 13, 2017. However, presently, Indian pneumococcal vaccine manufacturers and researchers are dependent on the recognized facilities situated in the USA and UK for immunogenicity evaluation, resulting in delay and high cost. In the last 1.5 years, with support from the NBN, the Central Research Laboratory has established a state-of-the-art dedicated ELISA and MOPA facility in collaboration with the World Health Organization referral centers. Within the short period, the facility has received NABL, GCLP, and GFGP accreditation. Apart from providing timely immunogenicity testing at competitive cost to Indian manufacturers, the center aims to develop, evaluate, and indigenize reference strains, quality control sera, reagents, and consumables. Other services include understanding the serotype distribution, virulence, vaccine impact, and drug resistance across the multiple centers in India. Can you please have the first video of the facility?
RVS was established in 1906 to promote education. Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences is a postgraduate medical college run by RVS. CRL is a part of KIMS selected by BIRAC to establish National Unit for Vaccine Immunogenicity Evaluation and Research. A state-of-art, well-equipped laboratory is set up for creative and innovative research work. This facility is recognized by NABL and GCLP. It is also GFGP compliant. It acts as a single-point workstation for investigators for their research. The center provides services for ELISA, MOPA, serotyping, and sequencing of pneumococci to Indian vaccine manufacturers and scientific community. Various WHO mandatory tests presently not available in the country will be made available at an affordable costing. Experts in the field of microbiology, molecular biology, bioinformatics, and biomedical engineering are a part of CRL. CRL commits to the nation building by providing cutting-edge services for vaccine development and testing.